Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send automatic emails to business cards as a reply when you receive a business card using the ABBYY BCR app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the ABBYY BCR app and then go to the settings menu, which is going to be at the bottom right corner, this little gear icon. And when you tap on it, it's going to open up the settings menu, and you have to scroll down a little bit to the sharing business cards tab, and here you just have to tap on send automatically to email. And when you tap on it, it's going to open up the email menu where you can set up a few things. Obviously the first one is message language, where you can choose a language for your message. Obviously we are going with English right now. You can turn this send automatically switch on or off. Obviously we are going with on, that's why we are here. Here it's set to my card. Obviously it is going to send our business card to the address from the other person's business card. And this is the template text which is going to be used here. Now you can change this up as you wish. You can write anything that you want in it. You can add your own name. As you can see, it's going to use automatically the name of the recipient, so that's good. And when you have set up your automatic email, you just save it, and then next time when you scan a business card with your device, with your phone or a tablet, you are going to send a reply to that person's email address automatically from your email. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.